Right. One other thing that I thought of just as I was filming this, it's what kind of recipes and meals are not so bad for the holidays. So I found a thing from a publication from last year, or 2 years ago rather, healthy holiday recipes from the Food Network. So I won't have the recipes, but you can always look it up. So vegetarian southern style collard greens. So it's kind of a soup in the image. Sunny is a chef. Hearty collard greens have all of the flavor of traditional southern style collard greens, but none of the meat. So there's a meatless dish. We have here mushroom Wellington with creamy carrot sauce. So took the information, an important part of traditional beef Wellington. So I guess instead of beef, it's mushroom Wellington. Though I wouldn't take too big of a thing, because the pastry that's around it, that's not healthy at all. Then we have mushroom stuffed pork tenderloin. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to insert some of the images so that a pork tenderloin with a savory mix of mushroom, bacon, and roast to perfection. No one will guess that it's a healthy holiday main dish. All right, then we have curried sweet potato puree. Almond milk makes this creamy side dairy-free dish. All right, that's interesting. Vegetarian spinach walnut pate. The words vegetarian don't necessarily go together, but this creamy, flavor-packed appetizer spreads like pate, but instead of having the meat, it's something else. All right, then we have goat cheese, lentil, and brown rice rolls. We have vegan saffron risotto. Okay, so inspired by the flavors of bouillabaisse, the Provençal, that's south of France, if I remember, seafood stew. This creamy saffron hued risotto is a special occasion dish for vegans, vegetarians, and even meat eaters. All right. Then we have eggplant ricotta bites. Lightly breaded eggplant is sautéed instead of deep fried. Okay, that's good. Then we have shrimp cocktail with tomatillo horseradish sauce. Whole wheat spaghetti with Swiss chard and pecorino cheese. Winter fruit salad. Roasted Brussels sprouts with pomegranate and hazelnut. That looks really good. So this is roasting Brussels out their nutty flavor. I guess it's the chef Bobby. Bobby adds pomegranate seeds, orange zest, and toasted hazelnut to this roasted sprouts. Really, really, really good. Then we have low-fat eggnog. I was just telling you about this, how terrible it is for the waistline. What's better than sipping on eggnog by the fireplace? Sipping our low-calorie made with low-fat milk flavored with flagrant citrus zest, vanilla beans, and bourbon. Okay, that looks all right. Roasted fennel with charred tomatoes, olives, and pecorino. So the flavor of fennel marries well with the Mediterranean flavors of slightly charred tomatoes, meaty Kalamata olives, and crystalline bursts of earthy aged Parmesan cheese. Latkes. Okay, I have no idea what this is. The oven to make crisp latkes saves a lot of calories and fat and hassle. You can cook a large batch quickly in a very hot oven. Egg white takes the place of a whole egg, keeping the cholesterol low too. So I guess you can browse through the website of the Food Network and you'll find roasted cauliflower with capers and chili. Okay, roasting cauliflower gives it a deep nutty flavor. Drizzle with a flavored chili caper sauce for an easy dish. Now, I want to tell you something about it's better than potatoes. You know, there's no carbs at all. One time we went to a restaurant and I ordered that as an appetizer, and I thought that it was a healthy appetizer, but I think it was like fried breaded cauliflower. And when I looked up the calories, it was like 400 calories, if not more. So depending on how it's prepared, you have to think that it's not always healthy just because it's a vegetable. You know, it's like potato fries is still potato fries, even if it's a vegetable. So it was from Food Network magazine as an alternative to traditional turkey at your holiday feast. A paisley pesto made with pumpkin seeds brings an earthy, aromatic flavor to the meat. So I don't really know what it is, but it looks like a small bird. So I don't know. There is no dessert in this 30-something suggestions, but I don't know if I'll try to look it up to see just dessert suggestions. So yes, you can eat your favorite holiday cookies, cakes, and pies without gaining weight. Just indulge sensibly and bake Food Network's best for your recipe picks. So, okay, we have, now again, I don't have the recipes, but you can look it up. Chocolate truffle cheesecake, mascarpone with raspberry and pineapple, lighter chocolate chip cookies, chocolate oat cakes. Oh, that looks good. Ginger angel food cake. Oh, let's see what the description is. This light airy cake from Food Network magazine is flavored with fresh ginger and topped with a lime spiked raspberry sauce. Looks really, really good. Then we have chocolate macaroons, mini date nut snowballs. We like that. Almond snowballs. It looks really, really small. Gluten-free blueberry muffins. I think that I'm going to do these mini muffins this year for the holidays. Pumpkin cheesecake. So let me just check what they say. This creamy cheesecake is packed with pumpkin pie flavor, but for a fraction of the fat as the original. It's made with reduced fat cream cheese and Greek yogurt. All right. Healthy carrot muffins, pecan sandies, and apricot oat bars. So this is easy to find. Healthy bars, you can look it up. The combination of dried fruit and nuts is popular around the holidays, but it also makes healthy treat. Giada's fiber. This is Chef Giada. I think it's the one who's Italian. Giada's fiber-packed apricot bars give the classic medley a sweet twist. Every bite is loaded with apricots, walnuts, and jam. So this is pretty much it for the holidays. If I think of something else, yeah. So good luck with that, and I hope that you have things that will inspire you to be mindful and be more careful during the holidays to avoid to gain weight. Bye bye. See you next time.